moving groove.
All right, I got nothing to match, so I'm gonna bring you the I don't know. Okay, it's not that exciting, but it's sand and mud.
I'm still excited about the prospect of flocking your head.
Well, you can try it with this.
No. What is it?
Because I mean,
swamp mud texture. Ooh, sounds like something I could really get into.
All right, so
that looks like good ballast. Is that ballast?
So we call that hobby sand, thin, natural color. I don't know if it's thin, but it's sort of medium.
How is that different from sand?
How is it different from sand? Well, sand like beach sand.
Yes.
Beach sand looks like tiny polished pebbles. This is really rough.
Oh, right.
And you use this for doing landscaping on trains, dioramas, anything. So it gives it that scale texture. And you can get this in all different colors. This is from Green Stuff World.
That'd be really good for doing like a vignette or diorama base.
That's right. So you use this as a base, and you see how you got slightly different textures there because you got the fine stuff's gone to the bottom.
Yes.
And then you can mix it up with some mud as well.
Mud? What do you mean mud?
Well, it's actually a paste in here.
What?
It's like a gritty paste.
No.
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Well, you can't see it because it's sealed. Sealed for freshness. See? Don't do that. It'll dry out. And with this stuff, it's really easy to make bases, particularly big dioramas. If you're doing like a huge layout, you don't want to go mixing up your own mud all the time.
Not if you can help it.
Just pull it out of that and just smear it on. All different colors. Get a few of these because the more you got, the more natural it looks because randomness. Natural randomness is what I call it.
You're random.
Not all the time, but yeah.
Often.
And this one is called swamp mud.
Swamp mud.
But you can get dark ones, grey ones.
You know what that is?
You can get concrete.
That's a swamp donkey.
A what?
A swamp donkey.
Is there such a thing?
A swamp donkey. Yeah, I've known a few in my time.
Have you?